Welcome to another video, guys. It is our first time doing a shopping video in about, what, 2 weeks?
Yeah, it's been a while.
So Jasmine was out of town for a while, then we went out of town for a week, and now we're back. So we're at Ross, well, we're at TJ Maxx now, and then we're headed to Ross because we're gonna be doing some clearance shopping today. So Walmart's gonna be a separate video, however. What is that?
That thing I've been wanting.
Coffee money. Oh, it's like a frame, and then it has a little hole in it, so you can put money in there.
It's
$5.
Like a piggy bank.
Piggy bank. So if you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. We love doing shopping videos where we look around for stuff. And you know what? My parents were asking me to buy them some,
No,
and then yeah, they were.
No, he wants the bowls.
Oh yeah, that's right. Well, these are on sale for $8. These are really cool, guys. We have plates like this. They look like glass, but they're actually some type of plastic, and they clean very easily. Like, it's very easy to clean them.
Your greatness is not what you have, it's what you give.
On clearance for $8.
I found an L for Lara.
Oh, that's cool. Our last name. Oh, that's cool. It's like a little secret storage compartment.
$3. And then also look at this. This is a marble round dry erase board. That's cute.
$8. Is it heavy? Oh wow, it does have some weight to it. $8. Regularly $15.
This is so pretty, but it's kind of broken.
Yeah, it's $10. What else is back here? Look at, they have some like Mother's Day stuff. It says Best Mom.
Nobody ever buys me anything that says that. I guess I'm not a good mom.
By Ray Dunn. $8. I'm gonna ignore her comments. I just took her to Disney World and treated her to the best trip ever.
Yo, you don't ever say I'm a good mom.
What? I always do.
Ice cream bowls and spoons, and it's not plastic. I mean, it's like...
It's not like paper?
Yeah.
$8. Those are some big bowls, dude.
That's cute for like salsa and cilantro and all that. That's what I'm thinking.
And look at this. It has a peace cup, and it says it does not mean to be in a place where there is no noise, trouble, or hard work. It means to be in the midst of those things and still be calm in your heart. Low key, that's like a good message, like a good reminder to start your day with.
Yeah.
Only $4.50.
I want it.
That's cute. I would love to buy that for a mom I know. Anyways, guys, I mentioned Disney World. With that being said, we have a Disney channel that we post all our Disney adventures on, so be sure to check that out. Links are in the description. Look at this. You see this, Jasmine? This is pretty cool. $16. I don't know. It's not that cool now. Anyways, yeah, Disney channel. We have a vlog channel. We have a lot of channels. Oh, there's a Ray Dunn little clock. It's missing one of the hands, so we'll pass out that. What else can we find in here? We've made it over to Ross. There wasn't really much stuff over there at TJ Maxx, and the first thing I see is this right here, behind every great woman. Our great women, $3.99. This isn't on clearance, it's $10, but I thought this was really cool. Look at this. It says, "Bless this kitchen," and it is a really big stainless steel mixing bowl. Really cool.
I told you Ross would have cuter ones.
Let me see. Look at all the cups.
To be honest, I think I want the poo one because I don't have a poo one. And I actually really like it. It's so cute, right?
It is cute. How much is it? $5. Yeah, I was gonna get her a St. Patrick's Day one.
Yeah, but I'm like, I don't care for St. Patrick's Day. Even the Stitch, I kind of want the Stitch one. It says Ohana means family.
$4?
And it has a Stitch.
Oh, that one's cute. I like the style of it.
$3.99. I want those two.
You want those two, babe? Say it in your cutest puppy dog voice right now. 3, 2, 1. Wait, no. No. That's not what I meant, like in your like begging voice, like, oh.
No, that was it. What is that?
That was your elbow that touched your arm.
No, you scratched.
I went like this, look at, I went.
Right here.
All I need is a little coffee and a whole lot of Jesus. I say get them. Okay. Just buy them for yourself.
Babe, you just said that for the vlog.
I'm surprised you didn't like this one.
I love that.
It says, "Hola, señor. Hola, señorita." $6.99.
Really?
Wow.
Can I get all of them?
Nah, we have already so many.
I got the video.
Did you see this?
Yeah, in fact, I just saw this one here.
Look at that. That is super cool. $10. $10 for that one too. I like this one better. Look at this, Zay. It's a cut. We already seen it, but look at this. Dude.
Isn't that neat?
That's aquaponics. That's what we've seen at Disney World.
You can grow your fruits and veggies while you have a fishy.
Yeah, basically the fish is acting as a fertilizer for that. That's what the whole Living with the Land ride is about. How much is that?
I don't know. 40.
40 bucks, yeah, that's really cool. Check this out, guys. This is made from all those like rocks, those petrified rocks that we used to collect as kids. I mean, I don't like it for my house, but $15, that's kind of a cool piece. Somebody wrote this right here. Believe in yourself. It's in Sharpie. Look, that's so cool. It's on clearance, $8.99. I didn't even realize that. Verse of the day. This is so awesome. God knew he needed a helper, so he made angels. Then he made some angels doctors. $5.49 on clearance as well. This is not on clearance, but I actually love the piece as a whole. Love the colors of it, and it says got this. God. $6.99. So thank God Jasmine went to go get Zay a haircut. She just took off, because if she would have seen this, we would have been coming home with it. Instant human. Just add coffee. Low key, I kind of want to buy it for her. We'll see a price on it. Just found this sign right here for $2.50 on clearance, regularly $5. It says love is love. Found some more clearance right here for $3.99. This is regularly $6. Not a huge fan of it, but what I am a fan of is this picture frame right here. I love the style of it, and it's huge, guys, for 20 bucks. I think that's a great deal. I love the style of this. It says Fluff and Fold Laundry Service. This is so cool. Let's see how much this is right here. $9.99. It's really thick too. Here's another really cool one. The only problem is I feel like this fake leather stuff does not work in the long term. $12.99, so it's a bit cheaper than the other one. It's really nice. For $89, Ellie, that is actually really nice, and it's heavy. This thing is, it's made out of metal.
I'm so having my channel.
Oh yeah, you have a YouTube channel too, huh?
Yeah. Remember the Easter Bunny eggs?
Yeah, guys, check out our channel. The link's in the description.
Yeah. I have one more channel for, so tomorrow it was the Easter Bunny.
So check this out, guys. They got these wedge makeup sponges, a whole entire jar of them, for $6.99. These are regularly 10 bucks. That's pretty cool. They got a couple of those, and they also have a lot of the Valentine's Day stuff. Look at this. They have a scented soap for $1.99. Milton and Drew, another one, $1.99. That's regular price. Let's see about this one. $1.99 for this one too. Let's see who this is made by. Almond bath soap. I don't think it's a unnamed product.
Daddy.
Look at this. We got some English rose. $3.99. Check out these guys. We got some shoes right here. Women's shoes for $10.99 on clearance.
And then I found a new beautiful shoes.
Yeah. Those are beautiful too. These are $13.99 for these Chinese laundry ones. Those are actually really cute.
$14.99?
Would you wear those?
Yeah.
I know you would. This is a really good deal right here, guys. $12.99 for these boots. Really good. These ones right here are $13.99. And these are $16.99. White Mountain. Looks like regularly 20 bucks. And look at these. We got some Tommy Hilfigers for $19.99. And then just above that, these are on sale for $20.99. Just found another pair of these for $12.99, so all those are all marked down. I remember these brands from a long time ago. Soda brand for $10. They have these Steve Madden sandals for $20.99. These things are regularly $30, bro. No, you can look at them, you can't touch them. $8.99 for these. Look at these, guys. A pair of Guess shoes with some rhinestones on them. These things are marked down to $16.99. Regularly $25. And then just to the left of those, I just seen some. Where are they at? Here they are. Daisy Fuentes, $10 for these. I think these are called loafers. Another pair. Oh, actually, these are, what is it, GBGs? I can't remember what those are called. But $8.99. Regularly $25.99. So tons of good deals, man. Check out the shoe section. Got a pair of these. Let's see what these are. These are Roxy brand, $13.99. Tons of clearance, guys. Wow. And then look at this. We got an eyelash curler by Paris Hilton for $9.99. If you guys are looking for a place to get masks at, Ross is definitely the spot. $2.99, $5.49 for this 3-pack, $5.49, $2.99, $1.99. And they also have like the surgical ones for really, really cheap. I gotta find them real quick. These ones are regular price for $5. However, the other day we were here and for a 20-pack, they were 49 cents. So always check when you walk in here. Look at this, guys. It is a universal cup holder car mount for $5.49. I've been needing one of these for so long and I just haven't bought one. And I'll continue to not buy one today. Check this out, guys. We got an iPhone 11 and XR case. It comes with a little strap as well as the case for $5.49. And then we also got this Kate Spade case. This is really nice for an iPhone 11 Pro. And it's only $2.50. This thing was originally $6.99, and I'm assuming at the other stores way more. Look at that, a $49 price tag. So that is a great bargain. I have no use for it, unfortunately. Then look at this for the iPhone 12 Pro, $4.99, Plum Pretty Sugar brand. A very nice pickup as well. And then we have this, some tempered glass, $3.50 for the iPhone 11. We have more tempered glass, an ultra clear one for $3.49. Here's an antimicrobial tempered glass, which would come in really useful, $3.50, and even more of them right there. So wow, good deals. These are not on sale, and I am so surprised these are here. These are the Stefan Janowski Nike SBs. These things are so expensive, and they're $55.99 here. I cannot believe I'm seeing that in this store. Adidas, $27.99 for these. These Reeboks right here are only $12.99, regularly 20 bucks. This is another surprising one right here. We got some trainers, $55.99. I'm surprised these things are making it to Ross. We got these Reeboks right here for $12.99, regularly 20 bucks. These Champion shoes are only $27.99. I remember when these were like super popular. They went from 40 bucks to 27. But I remember seeing these in the mall for like 60, 70 bucks. Look at this pair of Kid Kyries, $26.99. Zay has a pair of these and he spent like 70 bucks. It's a waterproof dog shelter. I thought it was just a tent. I've never seen this before, 20 bucks. $3 for these. You can never have too many white rags. Got this nice little accent piece, $13.99, went down from 20. It's pretty big. It's like, I'd say about 2.5, 3 feet. Oh man, she's feeling herself, guys. I low-key think I want to buy this. It's $6. It's a stainless steel cutlery and straw travel set because I cannot stand using cutlery that I know has been in like 80 people's mouths at like restaurants. It grosses me out. Let me know if anybody's like me. I just hate it. Last item of the day is this trimmer. Found it for $20.99, $9 off. All right, guys. Well, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to come back for more content. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if so, and subscribe. What in the world? $36.99 for... What kind of shoes are these? Are these Nikes? Oh, they're Adidas. Anyways, we'll see you guys later.